Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Copper CRM phone dialer, complete guide step by step clearly. To uninstall the Copper CRM phone dialer, start by closing the application if it is currently running. On your computer, navigate to the control panel. Click on Programs or Programs and Features. A list of installed applications will appear. Locate the Copper CRM phone dialer in the list. Once found, click on it to select it. At the top of the list, click on the Uninstall button. Follow the prompts to confirm that you want to uninstall the application. Wait for the uninstallation process to complete. After completion, it's a good idea to restart your computer. Next, check your computer for any remaining files associated with Copper CRM. Navigate to the installation directory, typically found in the Program Files folder. If you find the Copper CRM folder, delete it to remove any leftover files. Now, open the settings of your computer. Go to the Apps or Installed Applications section. Search for any additional Copper CRM entries and uninstall them if necessary. Finally, empty your recycling bin to complete the removal process. Your Copper CRM phone dialer should now be completely uninstalled from your system. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.